Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is COVID-19 Health Passes can open the door to a digital ID QR code vaccination certificate. So here we are using an power supply, 5 volts power supply, ESP32 camera module, OV26 camera and alarm. It is connected to the second pin, L293D driver IC, DC motor and red LED, green LED. If person coming to the shopping mall, schools or any area, they want to show the vaccination certificate. If they are taken dose 1, so we need to show the QR code to the camera will read that data and it will analyze dose 1, dose 2. If dose 1, red LED on, alarm on. If dose 2, green LED on, door open, you can enter into the shopping mall. So this is for the shopping mall or schools or any other area like airports. So vaccination certificate is necessary to enter the particular location. So here we created one web page, so we can see the data onto the web page also. So this is for web page, QR code vaccination certificate web page. So we need credentials. So here IOT COVID, four five six, enter. So it will show you the okay. So person name, age and vaccination certificate, dose 1 taken or dose 2 taken, and date and time. So here there are 2 doses taken, QR code, and dose 1 taken, dose 2 taken and dose 1 taken. Let us coming into the hardware, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. And here I am using an L293D driver IC, quadrupole H-bridge driver IC for door open close system, and ESP32 camera module and one red LED and one green LED. So this is camera module and 5 volts. So ESP32 camera module and ESP32S I am using. Okay, and let's go for 00. Okay, so this is the pin out. So here 12 13 red LED, green LED, red LED, 14 15 L293D, second pin alarm, and you can connect serial communication. If you want to get any SMS alert, you can take, or any Bluetooth module, you can take any of that. And my part is, so here I am using an QR code for red LED, green LED, buzzer and DC motor. So my SSID, user ID and password I am using. So let us coming into the hardware module. So now I am going to give the power supply. Okay, so it is checking for the network connection and it's connected to my Wi-Fi router. Okay, so here the person name. Okay, now time 6 o'clock. Now I am going to show one Subhash card to the QR code. Okay, red LED on, sorry, green LED on, door open. Okay, yeah, Subhash 68. Okay, 6:50 time. Okay, so now I am going for the Praveen, dose 1. Okay, it gives only alarm. Okay, it given alarm. Yeah, Praveen, 36 age, dose 1 taken, time is 6:51. Okay, so I am going for Prakash card. Okay. Green LED on. Okay. Yeah, Prakash, age 39, dose 2 taken, door open close, and time is 6:52. Okay, this is Ashok card. It gives only alarm. It is an only dose 1. Alarm on. Ashok 34, dose 1 taken. Okay, and I am going for Surender card. Mainly height adjustment is important. Green LED on. Okay, yeah, Surender, age 52, dose 2 taken, door open close. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.